chase. I don't move, I set the pace. Frame by frame, I own it. Light hit, I control it. Step clean, no warning. Spotlight every moment. High gloss, no break. All eyes, I don't shake. We rise, no limit. This world, I'm in it. Frame by frame, we run it. Effortless, we own it. Red crown under pressure, young king dressed for forever. Pop color, flash flare, future twins with mirrored stare. Painted eyes, no fear. Camera close, crystal clear. Headphones on, zoned out. Silk moves without a doubt. Marble gods don't compete. Runway fire under my feet. Black dial, cold shine. Every second still mine. Deep breath, hold tight. Power looks good in this light. Frame by frame, I own it. Light hit, I control it. No cracks, no warning. Spotlight every moment. Stack high, we elevate. No pause, accelerate. Clean cut, no blur. We are the standard here. Frame by frame, we run it. Effortless, we own it. No throne, no crown, just presence when I walk in the room. No noise, no doubt, just silence when the lights go down. Tick, flash, pose done. Frame by frame, we rise now. Glass and fire, no climb down. From stone to steel to skyline, every world aligned. No fade, no end, no trend. We transcend high fashion, dominance, permanent, prominence. Frame by frame, we own it. Effortless, we run it. Lights fade, pose slows, legend stays. Every